Hello guys, good morning, good evening. In today's video I will be showing you how you can load music to your iTunes on your Windows. Okay, so let's go. And the benefit of this is when you load music to your iTunes, you will be able to synchronize your music from your computer to your iPhone. First stage, you go to your music, then you copy. Don't forget to unselect the item, just unhighlight it and then copy the music. Click this item, then you can see this item media. Click the iTunes media, then automatically added music. Then you have to paste all this music you copied here. So stage 2 will revise back and then we'll return. Okay, in this case we'll exit it and then go to our item to find out if our music is being added. Alright, we successfully added our music now, so this is it. And when you plug your iPhone will show at the bottom right here. You will be able to synchronize all this music. There are ways you set it. If it's the first time you plug in your iPhone, if it's not the first time, then it's so easy for you to synchronize. It's nothing hard. There are a few settings you're just going to make. I don't currently have iPhone here. I'm using Android. It will show you the simple step you should take. But in any case, you should leave a comment if there is any problem.
I will say upla. Nice.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and this is it. Nothing much.